Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Carol Tichie Caribou. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, yes. Finally did a crochet protective hairstyle. And my lord, I have seen beauty before. But this is a discovery. Oh my god, it's giving. It's apes. Oh my god. Wow. Yes, so let me not keep you longer in this intro. If you want to see how I got this hair, then keep on watching. Welcome back once again, and let me show you how to get this hairstyle. Starting off with the braiding pattern. I didn't do this, I went to the local salon to get this done. But the braiding pattern is small cornrows at the front, chunky ones at the back, and this works best for this particular hairstyle because the hair is so full and so fluffy. Talking about the crochet hair, we'll be using Jamaican Bounce by Sistar. They look like chunky wand curls, and if you're looking for like wand curls hair, this is the best, because if you don't like putting heat on your hair, this just gives you the best substitute to play around with. So I start off by dividing each each curl into like multiple small curls, and that's what makes this hair so big, so fluffy. Now let me just tell you, let's be for real, your first unravel is going to be a mess, a tangled mess, if you can see. So let's try this again. This one felt so soft and it divided so well, so I divided it into 4 and some into 6. The ones for 6 are for the ones at the front, because I didn't want like such chunky knots at the front, because the cornrows are small, so you go with how the cornrow is. So small ones at the front, chunky ones at the back. That's the size we're looking at. So that's the size I used for the front. And for crochet, I did 2 loops, I think 2 or wait, 1 and 1 knot. Yes, 1 knot. And then I decided later on to do the second knot. You guys will see, but that's the current situation. So I just pull it in, bring it to the other side, and just try and tighten it, and that's how I did most of the hair at the front. And you can see matching up the sizes, so the front has to be small pieces, and then at the back big pieces. So for the small cornrows, small pieces of hair, and for the back cornrows, big pieces of hair. So 6 at the front, 4 at the back. So I did this for the rest of the hair. Another thing I should mention is that I did these cornrows 1 week ago. I did not do them yesterday and came and crochet today because they were so tight, and there's no way I was going to put the hook under the cornrows just like that. I would hurt myself, I would not be able to sleep, I would break my hair. So I was like, no, let's give it a week to loosen up a bit, and then now. So these are a week-old cornrows braiding pattern. I just thought I should mention that so that you know how to do a safe protective hairstyle. So so like I had mentioned before, I ended up adding another knot, so 1 and then the second knot. because I felt like they were coming out, so I said let me just try and secure it. And yeah, this process went so fast, like crocheting. Once you get a hang of it, you zoom through. Now guys, don't mind about my neck. I have eczema and I got a bad eczema breakout on my neck, and I've been telling you this guys, but now you can see how bad it can get. But this is like the drying down, so the skin does get a little bit dry, flaky, but it will wear off. I will have some hyperpigmentation on my neck, but that will wear out after a while. Yes, that's our problem guys with eczema. So yeah, but other than that, you see how I'm zooming through the back. And yeah, the back wasn't so much of a hassle because they were chunkier, and I do suggest you just do this chunky at the back, small ones at the front. The hair kind of balances itself out so nicely. And we are done. The whole hairstyle took me around, let's say, 6 hours. The chunky part of the time was to separate this hair. That is what took so long, but crocheting it in was not so much of a hassle, like I said before. So this is how it looks. Yes, we are done. A moment of silence for the dress. So I slept in my nappy happy satin bonnet. The large size is the one that fit this hair. Can you see the brown? Mwah! I love it, love it. You can get it. I'll put all the details in the comment section. You can see they're double lined with an animal print strap. So that aside, let me show you the hair now to do the final look. I've done my makeup, and the color of the yellow is eating the skin, the hair. It's, yes, but I did feel like my scalp was so dry, so I did take care of that because you guys know I'm on a challenge. So the thing I did was just fluff out the hair, and the hair is looking really good. Fluff it out with your hands, and that's it. Now I wanted to get a bob because that was the whole point for this hairstyle for me, was to have a curly bob. So I decided to just do like a long bob. I mean, the one that hits my shoulders. It was raining, like it's a raining season, it's the cold season, and this hair just gives me so much warmth. Yeah, so I was going for that bob look, and I don't have to cut my own hair to get the bob look. Cindy, that's why you have crochet, Cindy. Yeah, so that's how it looks, just fluffing it out, and that's the bob hair. That's the bob hair. That's the hair that's a bob. So guys, so this is the final look. Tell me, do you like the bob or do you like the long hair? I am obsessed with the bob, like a curly, afro-y bob. I mean, 4 + 4, 8. It 8, period. Whoa, yeah, so, I mean, subscribe, thumbs up this video, Cindy, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. If you try out any of my hairstyles, I think I should say this, but if you try out any of my hairstyles, feel free to tag me on Instagram, on Facebook, okay, or TikTok, okay, because I'll repost you. Uzuri TikTok now has a repost feature. I'll repost you. So yani, don't be scared that I can't tag her. Tag me. I've given you the permission to tag me, okay? Yeah, because I'd like to see this on like different girlies, like no gatekeeping over here. All right, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Catch you on the next one.